Hi everyone, I'm Joseph, and today we'll see how to create a IBM WatsonX job in ACL Workload Automation. First of all, we go to Workload Designer. Here we can click on Create New, Job Definition, and we can write IBM WatsonX, and we can click on it. And in the General Info panel, we insert all the info about the new job, so the name and workstation. After we write this info, we can complete the Action panel. In Action panel, we have mandatory fields that are the IBM WatsonX API. That is the API key that you can generate on your IBM WatsonX personal profile. We have project ID or space ID, that is the project or space that contains the resource on the IBM WatsonX personal profile. The region that is associated geographic area. The model that is used to generate the output message. After we insert all these fields, we can try the test connection. And if everything is good, the pop-up tells us that the connection is successfully established. So after that, we can insert the other mandatory field, that is the user message. So the message that we want to send to the assistant. In this case, it generates a text to invite friends to a birthday party. We have other fields that are not mandatory. In this case, we have the username that is linked to the IBM WatsonX API key field, and the temperature and max new tokens. The temperature is the value used to modify the next token probabilities in sampling mode. And max new tokens is the maximum number of new tokens to be generated on our response. After we insert all these fields, we can save the job, and we can do the submit, insert the alias, in this case WatsonX job, okay, and after we click on OK button, we can go to the monitor job page. So in this case, if everything is good, the job goes in a successful status. And if we click on job log button, we can see the response. So this is the job log, and we can see the response. First of all, this is the job definition of the job that we send to the assistant, and this is the response that the assistant gives to us. The question is to generate a text to invite friends to a birthday party, and this is the response. So now, after job log, we can see also the output properties. So we can click on more action button, properties, extra properties. We can scroll down and we can see extra information. In extra information there is message, response and stop reason. So message is the response of the assistant that we saw in the job log, and the response, that is the entire JSON object that the assistant gives to us, and the reason why the job stopped in the stop reason properties. So this is the IBM WatsonX plugin, and thank you very much.